got these ribs already, guys. Look at that. Wow. Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for subscribing to my old subscribers, the current subscribers, and also my new subscribers. Click that subscribe button and hit the bell so you're notified when I post new video. Hi, my minkies. So today we're going to be doing some pork ribs, guys. Look at this. Okay, so we're gonna start by seasoning our ribs, and I turned it. This is the bottom side of the ribs, so I'm gonna go ahead and season that side of the ribs. We're gonna get straight to it, guys. Now, I like to season my ribs, guys, so if y'all see me coughing, that's because I like to season my ribs. It's already getting to me. So you can season however you like, but I like to smother mine in seasoning. Whew. That seasoning will get to you, let me tell you. So I am using Tony Sasteri's all-purpose seasoning. That's the regular original seasoning. I'm using this seasoning right here. So let me show you guys the seasoning that I am using. It's right here. This seasoning right here. Go ahead and put some of that on there. I also use paprika. I'm gonna use some thyme as well. You don't need that much, just have at least a sprinkle on there, guys. Also, because I don't have no onion powder, so I'm gonna use some chopped onion. I'll go ahead and put that. Season that on there. Y'all, please excuse me if I'm sneezing or coughing. That season is getting to me because I can feel it. I can feel it in my. Oh, excuse me. That's what happens whenever you season a lot. Okay. Now, that was the cayenne pepper that I just used. Now, this is the red pepper. And you don't want to use too much of that. If you have, that's my oven, guys. I set my oven to 400 degrees. So I'm going to be putting the ribs in there once I'm finished with that. And I also have chili powder. Okay, and last but not least, garlic powder. And we're gonna do both sides like that, guys. So we're gonna go, since I'm finished this side, we're gonna go ahead and flip that over. Now, if I'm usually doing, you know, ribs on the barbecue pit, I'm the one that's always seasoning it. I usually put mustard on it. But because I'm putting it, you know, in the oven, I'm not gonna put no mustard on it. So y'all gonna see me coughing and sneezing again, because here I go again with the seasoning. Because baby, I can season some meats. So I'm going in with the same seasonings, in case y'all wondering. This is paprika. The other one was honey garlic. The one before that was Tony Sasteri's. And This one is the complete seasoning I got from Dollar Tree. The thyme, and like I said, you don't really need that much for thyme. We have the chopped onion. We also have garlic powder. Okay, chili powder. Red pepper. You don't really need much of that. You just need to sprinkle a little bit on there. And cayenne pepper. Just sprinkle that on there. I don't want to put too much, but I like to have enough seasoning. So now we have our seasoned meat. Y'all see that? Y'all can see this. And we're gonna put it in a pan. So give me a second, guys. Guys, I forgot to add the black pepper, so we're gonna add some black pepper on top. Even though some of that seasoning already had black pepper, but I like to add my black pepper. So just add that in there like that, and we're gonna put it in a pan. Okay, so guys, I already put it in a pan big enough. Make sure you put it in a pan big enough to fit. And I'm gonna put, instead of putting some like water in here, I'm just gonna put some butter. It just makes it like so better, guys, and moist. So we're just gonna, I'm gonna use a stick of butter and just, you know, slice that up and put that in there, guys. If you want, you can use more than that. I might use like another half just to make sure there's enough in here. You know, let me do that. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so I got another stick of butter, and we're going to just add a little bit more butter in there because you don't want your pan to be sticky. You know what I'm saying? So put some right here. Just make sure it covers the empty spaces. And put some on top, slice some on top. Just make sure you guys have enough in here so it can keep that moisture in. Your ribs is going to be so tender and moist, guys. And we're going to put it in. We're gonna cover it. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it, but my oven is ready to go, so I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven. And we're gonna put it in the oven for an hour and then check it again, guys, to see where it's at. Of course, it should be done within an hour. So, but we're gonna check just to be sure. So stay tuned. Okay, so guys, I cut up the ribs, and I put some sweet honey barbecue sauce on it. This is the back side of the ribs. And we're gonna turn them over. They are really tender, guys. Really tender. You breaking up. So we're just turning them over right about now. That butter really got them, guys. They are like really tender. Oh my gosh. I think I gotta be really careful. So we just turning them over so we can put more barbecue sauce on it, because we're gonna place it back in the oven again. Okay. Turn this one over too. And we're gonna put more barbecue sauce on top. Give me a second. Okay, so I added more barbecue sauce, sweet honey barbecue sauce again. You can add whatever barbecue sauce you would like, and like I said, guys, they are super tender. We're gonna put them back in the oven for maybe about 10-15 more minutes so that barbecue sauce can kind of set in there, and cover it back up as well, guys. Well, you know what, you don't have to cut it back up. I mean, not cut it back up, cover it back up. You can if you want to, but you know what, I choose not to because I kind of wanted that barbecue sauce to kind of like get sticky. I like my barbecue sauce kind of sticky on the ribs. So we're going to leave the foil paper off, and we'll be back, guys. Put it back in the oven, and we got these ribs already, guys. Look at that. Wow, these are really good. I can't wait to try it. Look at that. And sticky too. Watch. Let's see, y'all. That little piece right there. Look at that, guys. Look how sticky. The ribs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys are notified each time I post a new video. And let me know in the comment section if this was helpful for you. What other meals you would like for me to try. I will do it if I can. So thank you for watching. Bye bye, my minky. GorgeousOneMink.